Hi, in this video we are going to see a wonderful opportunity for the postgraduates as well as the UG Senate and the PhD candidates from the DRDO. There is a Defense Research and Development Organization recruitment notification and you may get up to 60,000 rupees per month. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this DRDO recruitment notification. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending the lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. To the present content of the video. So it is a Defense Research and Development Organization official website. And here if you go to the careers block, you may find out here the walk-in interview for the award of Junior Research Fellowship and the Research Associate in DRDA Gwalior. So the last date to apply is the 30th November 2021. And if you click on this advertisement, and this notification published on 29th October 2021, that means just 2 days back. So click on this advertisement and then you will be directed to the in detail PDF regarding this notification. So there is a walk-in interview for the award of JRF and the Research Associate. And while coming to the JRF, you may check down the DRDO Junior Research Fellowship. Post codes are also given here. Essential qualification: first class MSc in biological stream in life science, zoology, biotechnology, molecular biology, microbiology, pharmacology, toxicology, immunology, and a national eligibility test or CSIR UG Senate, either JRF or else a lecturership, anything is fine, and the gate or else the gate. Okay, age limit is 28 years and the walk-in interview date is 9th December 2021. And coming to the next one, here the 5 vacancies are there, and coming to here also the 5 vacancies are there. The qualification required is MSc in chemistry, physical or analytical or organic or inorganic, and a national eligibility test qualification conducted by the UG CSIR UG Senate JRF or else the lecturership or else the gate. So 28 years and 10th December 2021 is the walk-in interview date. And coming to the next one, graduate degree in textile or polymer science or polymer chemistry engineering in first division with a NET or GATE conducted by the CSIR UG Senate MHRD GATE, or else a PG degree in textile or polymer science, polymer chemistry engineering in first division, both at the graduate as well as the postgraduate level. So 28 years and 10th December 2021 is the interview date. And coming to the JRF fellowships with JRF positions with own fellowship is also there. So for this one, if you are having any other JRF fellowships from the other approved national agencies are there, then you can apply for these positions guys. Qualifications remains the same: MSc in biological stream in life science, zoology, biotechnology, molecular biology, microbiology, pharmacology, toxicology, immunology. 9th December 2021 is the walk-in interview date. And coming to the next one, first class MSc in chemistry. So 28 years is the last date, and 10th December is the walk-in interview date. Fine. And the research associate, PhD is required in biological stream, and areas of research is given here. Age limit is 35 years. 10th December 2021 is the walk-in interview date. Fine. So these are all the details regarding the which subjects, how many vacancies, and what is the age limitation, and what is the walk-in interview date. All these things are mentioned here. And coming to the amount, how much you will get stipend for the JRF, 31,000 rupees plus HRA will be available. And coming to the research associate, 54,000 rupees plus HRA and medical facilities also available. Okay, and cut-off date as per the age and education limits will be calculated, determined as on the date of interview. And in the age limitations, the relaxation is available as per the Government of India norms, 5 years for the SC/ST and 3 years for the OBC candidates. And essential educational qualification, first division in PG degree MSc in relevant subject discipline and having the NET or CSI or UGC NET JRF or else a lecturership and a GATE or DBT or ICMR or else any other approved national agency. Okay, and few common guidelines are also mentioned here, so you may check down guys. So reporting time is given and a written test may be conducted for the JRFs. Okay, so may be conducted, there is no confirmation regarding the written test. Fine. In case of large number of students or the interview can be carried to the next day. So candidates are requested to prepare accordingly to stay for the 2 days, 1 day for the written test and 1 day for the interview. It depends upon how many number of candidates are applying for these positions. Okay, and application form you can download from the official website itself. So here it is one, right? So you can download from this website itself the application form, and by email on students_cell@drdu.drdu.in, one more mail ID is given here. Okay, so form need to be submitted in both Word file as well as a Microsoft Excel file as per the required format. Okay, and whoever the selected candidates are there may be allowed to register for PhD with any recognized university during the tenure of the fellowship. It is a wonderful opportunity, guys. If you once selected for the JRF, then you are allowed to register for the PhD. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, and the candidate should mention clearly the position, postcode and subject code, and candidates will be essentially required to produce the original certificates or testimonials. Okay, and so how to reach the venue of interview is also given here, so you please check out all these things, guys, and I will provide the official website link in the description box of this video, or else if you are having any queries other than this one, just mention your queries in the comment section. Fine. So if you not belongs to these subjects, then please mention your requirement in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription.